This graph shows the two curves 1 over x and k over x. We need to find the region A in terms of k, which is the region bounded by 1 over x and k over x between 1 over 6 and 1. This can be represented as the definite integral of the difference of k over x and 1 over x, with the limits 1 over 6 and 1. All this means is that we are first finding the area under the curve k over x, and then subtracting the area under the curve 1 over x. And we don't do the other way around because k over x has a greater area than 1 over x. We can take the constant k out of the integral and split the integral into two parts. We can then observe that 1 over x is actually a standard integral in the formula booklet, and this equals to ln absolute value x. We can then use the fundamental theorem of calculus and substitute the upper boundary into both of the integrals and subtract the lower boundary when substituted into x. ln of 1 is 0, so we're left with minus k ln 1 over x and plus ln 1 over x. We can take ln 1 over x into the parentheses, and we get ln 1 over x times 1 minus k. Part B asks to find the area of the region B in terms of k. We can do the same with a definite integral, but this time with the boundary is 1 to square root of 6. And we will also subtract 1 minus x from k over x. We integrate in a similar principle like we did in part A. We take ln square root of 6 out of the parentheses, and we're left with ln square root of 6 k minus 1. Part C asks to find the ratio of the area of region A to the area of region B. We can divide the area of region A by the area of region B to find the number of times that region A is bigger than region B. We can take the minus out of the expression on the top so that we get k minus 1. The ln on the bottom can be rewritten as ln 6 to the power of 1/2, as this is another way of writing square root. The k minus 1's then cancel out. We can then further simplify by writing the top as ln 1 over 6 to the power of minus 1, because we can bring the minus into the ln by raising the inside to the power of minus 1. The bottom can also be written as 1/2 ln of 6 if we bring the exponent out of the log. The ln of 6 cancel out, and at the end we get 2. This represents the number of times A is greater than region B. So the ratio of A to B is 2 to 1. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this question. Please like and subscribe. Bye!